5 Best Label Maker Machine 2024. 1. Nelko. The Nelko Label Maker Machine with Tape, P21 Bluetooth Label Printer, offers a compact and lightweight design, half the weight and size of traditional label makers, making it highly portable. It utilizes BPA-free direct thermal technology for high-quality printing without the need for ink or toner. Compatible with iOS and Android phones via Bluetooth, it offers easy setup and access to the Nelko app, featuring over 90 fonts, 10 languages, and 450+ materials for label customization. The app provides various templates for creating label stickers with text, QR codes, barcodes, images, and more. The label maker is suitable for various uses in home, office, school, and Christmas gifting, offering convenience and versatility in organizing and personalizing items. DYMO. The DYMO label maker with 3 bonus labeling tapes is designed for portability, allowing users to label items easily and conveniently anywhere. It offers customization options with 5 font sizes, 7 print styles, and 8 box styles. Users can preview font effects on the graphical display before printing. The label maker features auto-off functionality to save power when not in use. Brother P-Touch PT D210. The Brother P-Touch PT D210 Label Maker Value Bundle offers a versatile solution for home and office organization. With convenient one-touch keys, users can access fonts, symbols, frames, and templates easily. The label maker's lightweight and portable design make it suitable for on-the-go use with AAA batteries or with an optional AC power adapter for desk use. Brother Genuine Zool laminated tape ensures durability and resistance to water and fading. The PT D210 offers a wide range of customization options with 10 styles, 14 fonts, 98 frames, and over 600 symbols, along with 27 templates for professional and personalized labels. SUPVAN. The SUPVAN E10 Bluetooth Label Maker Machine with Tape offers an efficient solution for organizing items at home, in the kitchen, school, or office. It features a smart app control with 35 fonts and over 1,000 icons, enabling users to label items with names, barcodes, QR codes, text, emojis, and pre-made templates. Using inkless thermal technology, the label maker provides high clarity without ink or toner, saving time and money. The smart app offers over 600 templates for customization, compatible with iOS 13.0 Plus and Android 8.0 Plus. The portable handheld design and rechargeable battery make it convenient for use anywhere, with the battery lasting up to a month on a single charge. 5. JADENS D110. The JADENS D110 label maker machine with tape offers a compact and smart solution for labeling needs. It is smaller and smarter compared to traditional label makers, easily fitting into pockets for convenient use anywhere. Through the DYMO app, users can wirelessly print stickers after Bluetooth pairing. The app provides over 60 fonts, 12 languages, and 400+ borders, supporting both iOS and Android devices, not compatible with computers. Various templates are available for creating cute label stickers, suitable for organizing home supplies, cosmetics, jewelry, files, and more. The label maker comes with a roll of free white label tape, a USB cable, and a manual. It's inkless and rechargeable. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.